Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida, Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. I have a pre-painted and dry 10 by 20 inch canvas. It's pre-painted with mead and black. I have some poinsettia, which is a Prizm pour. I'm a primary, I'm a Colourarte affiliate, and primary elements, blankets, and Prizm pours are all something that I'm working with, as well as a few other things. This is some paint left over from the other day that's still moving quite nicely under its Glad cling wrap. I am going to utilize that poinsettia and throw in some primary elements, Tempting Tulip, and see how I feel about that before I pour it right straight in there. This is Ginger Flower. This is another awesome color. And I'm going to indulge myself in a little Snapdragon, another Prizm pour, as was the Ginger Flower. I might use more of that. It looks awesome. I might have to not use all of that, although I will use it as a base for something else. I want some silver, a little bit anyway. I'm going to use a little bit of Wild Orchid. That's a Prizm pour, so is the Wild Orchid. And I was contemplating not using the Mystique, but I want some. It might dry dark, and the color is beautiful color in person, but it doesn't read well for the camera. And that makes me want Orange Crush. Mystique is a primary element. Orange Crush is a Prizm pour. And I have sour lemon with Orange Crush in it. And I'm going to use my sticks, my tongue depressors, and I have a couple of containers of Artist Loft White and some of the True Silver, the Prizm pour. Take my lid right off. Now I may want to turn this sideways. And I know that if this fits my big stick, but do I want to use it? No, I want a shorter stick. So let's just try this right out of the gate. I'm just going to make patterns and sort of zigzag patterns. And it doesn't matter if your stick isn't long enough, because you can always go back down and elongate your marks. So the only problem I've come across right at the moment is the fact that I wanted to use the white, and I'm going to use the silver. I kind of wish I had left more space in between to do that. And I am experimenting with something. I didn't make a note or a sketch, and I wish I had. Actually, I have a few. So I'm going to flip that over and hope I remember. And try the white. It makes me want a solid color. And I kind of wish I had made up a whole lot more sticks. Although I do have more sticks, so maybe that's not impossible. I'm going to put some color down out of sight. I'm going to use some saffron, which is a Prizm pour. And I may wind up dotting a few things in between just because I can. I'm also going to use some of the sour lemon, I think, right over there next to it. If I had room on my table, I would use my table. Just makes me want blue. I'm going to go back in and use, oh, I've got a paint chip in there or something. The canvas is dry, so it lends itself to being able to remove weird things. I keep wanting to make wider stripes, and then I don't do it. And I think I should. Make wider and thinner and staggered, maybe even. There's a wide one, the thinner one on top of it. I'm not sure either. I mean, I have a lot of experimenting I want to do, to be honest with you, about, you know, how to space them out. I'm going to mix it up. And see how that works, because I left the paint right on the stick. Definitely makes, still want some blue. Some, I don't know if I said that or if it was just in my head. Some blue velvet would be nice. So let me grab that. And maybe I can fit some of it in between if I have enough sticks. I do have a couple more sticks. They've got paint chips stuck to them. Give me a moment. They've got stuff stuck to them, that's for sure. Whatever it is, I'm not sure. If I go up high, yeah, I'm going to go up high. I definitely like using the solid colors in between. And now I'm going to stagger them on top of each other. Ooh, brazen. Yeah, I'm liking that too. Really cool. Where's my white stick? It could just turn out to be a whole new ball game here. Follow my instincts. Move all the way across. Probably can't do it all, but I might try. So if I get a whole bunch of paint, or if I feel like that one dipped in, I felt like I grabbed a whole bunch of paint, and I don't want a whole bunch of paint, then if I mark it off, then I can use it in between something after I utilize what's there, like so. Pretty cool. Let's see what I've got for... Go back and grab some more sour lemon. Go back and grab some more saffron. You wouldn't even have to go all the way across. You could just... Makes me want pink diamond. Oh no. The first of the dots has arrived. I'm going to stay away from that for a minute. I'm definitely going to grab some pink diamond. And my intention is not to try and figure out now whether I'm going all the way or not. Across, I mean. That pink diamond is mixed. If you want to spread them out, you just have to give a little effort cautiously. Makes me want to go back the other way. That's so cool. So yeah, I think I'm going to start on the opposite side. I'm not minding that. The cloudy, clearish looking cloudy paint in the bottom of my leftovers pour dish is actually interference. Interference purple, interference violet, is what it's actually called, green and blue. I like the fact that I don't have to figure out initially if it's going to be all one color or more than one color. I can just feel it out. I'm getting ready for some more of the blue velvet. I can feel it. I'd like to make sure it isn't super blobby though. And where's my white? I didn't use much of the silver. Being that the sticks are like stackable and there's no perfection. You're not trying to make perfect lines. It's about texture. What was I going to say about texture? Stackable. I have no idea. It's gone forever now. But I am liking the way this looks. I'm going to move that all the way across. Come back this way. It's kind of nice just to play freely. I'm loving it. Actually, to tell you the truth, this is the most fun I've had for a while. And I do have fun pretty frequently. That's the true silver again. Wow. Whole new meaning to barcode. I want to find my... So if you're going to do this, have a whole bunch of sticks ready in advance. Like, it doesn't matter. I just get a whole bunch of sticks ready. Did I ever put any... No, I never put any wild orchid out, but I'm going to do it right now in my regular dish. It is mixed with the blue velvet. Sorry, I'm focused. That one's getting... I'm kind of thinking I should call it done no matter what, because it's pretty cool the way it is. I'm going to grab a little bit more orange. I could also leave a gap like so, which I'm a little nervous about, but I'm not sure why I should be, because it looks pretty cool. The gaps aren't hurting anything. I'm going to just snag. I've got all this paint. I thought I was going to use so much more paint than I used. I think a little bit more of the sour lemon over here. Might even want a little bit more than that. But I've got that pink diamond and that'll help. I could fill in no problem and it would look pretty. I know that. But I like the gaps. Unfortunately, if my little plate over there doesn't have deep enough paint on it, I don't leave a big enough line behind. Where am I going? Right there. Oh, I can dash them too. I want some more of this. I like this stick instead of using the application of the bottle because it doesn't leave a blob at one end. I am going to call this almost good in a second though. I just needed to move the eye down from here to here. And continue on. And trust that I'll know when I'm ready to be calling it good. I still got a blob. I don't often try and drag the sticks. I bet that'd be nice and sparkly. If I have a moment, I will show you. I guess I'm going to be using this paint dish, this leftovers, for a while. And as long as it stays moist in there, I don't see the problem with that. Okay, so I've got 3 minutes to tell you guys. I do sell my artwork. I do give classes in the house at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I'm going to throw all of these into the bucket because I really am, it's really good enough. And this piece of Glide cling wrap, I definitely recommend having a standard procedure Glide cling wrap in your studio because you can line paint trays with it. You can seal containers with it. I should put it on my Amazon link where if you shop, it's at no added cost to you, and you can find my 2 books there, which are the first and the second 100 videos I created for YouTube. And they're all the processes and all the tools. And they also have a link. If you buy the soft cover, you have a link. You can purchase the ebook for cheap. I'm going to try and, where's my phone? Got a shimmer that's at you. Ooh, that's a blob. The blob that didn't need to be. I spread it out a little bit. I like stripes. I so like stripes. Looks like my camera battery is telling me it's time to give up too. That's going to be so pretty tomorrow. And I'm glad I used the Artist Loft White. And I'm glad it was on a dry canvas. You cannot do this on a wet canvas without having dendrites happen. So you guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Thank you for the donations through PayPal. My paint pouring recipe is below the video. When you give me thumbs up, you help my standing on YouTube. Your comments keep my morale boosted. Thank you so much for the donations through PayPal. And thank you, those of you who have joined the membership for $9.99 a month. There must be 80 members-only videos by now. On the link tree, above the link tree, you'll find the Colourarte coupon code, and I'm a Colourarte affiliate, as I mentioned, so if you shop Colourarte, you'll be helping me out a little bit. And on the link tree, you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook group, Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Appreciation Group, and The Gallerist, Society 6. My website is on the link tree. All kinds of cool stuff are there. Facebook groups included. I'm forgetting everything right now. What can I tell you? Oh, there's 29 lists of 100 videos, and all of them are organized by topic and genre also. If you need one of those lists, just ask me, let me know. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. I post at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Questions are invited. I'm happy to help you, so don't be shy. If there's anything I can do at all, let me know. I'll do my best. And whatever I've forgotten, you'll see in another video. As season's greetings and happy holidays. Bye for now. Priscilla out.